Hi cats, I just got out of my surgery. I'm at the pharmacy now, almost home. Happy International Pallas Cat Day, or Manul Day, however you want to say it. This is my Manul, or Pallas's cat, Barsic. And he came with me to surgery today, although they wouldn't let him on the table. So yeah, I'm not exactly in the best of, well, I'm in decent spirits because of the medication, but it hurts. And I have to pee, and I'm waiting for my friend at the pharmacy, and I don't know, they put a stent in the right side, and they worked on the left side too this time. But yeah, so I'm a little bit whatever, and as you can tell, I'm not exactly looking like a fresh daisy picked out of the field, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm supposed to be saying please like, comment, share, and subscribe during these things. I just never remember to. And then I remember and I try to go add it in the descriptions later. I don't know. It hurts, you guys. I can't talk anymore, but happy Pallas Cat Day.